देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे वतन के नाम पे
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreamy desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Many years ago, great Indian leaders and freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to give us freedom. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day without any fear just because of our brave ancestors. We cannot even imagine how hard the independence struggle was for the freedom fighters. We as Indians should realize the importance of Independence Day and should be filled with utmost pride to have finally got back our freedom from the chain of the British rule. Now, I request Principal Ma'am to unfold the flag. I now request everyone to stand up for the national anthem sung by the school choir. It gives me a sense of joy which is inexplicable to see our tricolour soaring high. I could feel the importance of the great words spoken by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in his speech Tryst with Destiny. Tryst with Destiny was a speech delivered by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, on the eve of India's independence. It spoke on the aspects that transcend India's history and is considered to be one of the greatest speeches of the 20th century and to be a landmark oration that captures the essence of the triumphant culmination of the Indian struggle against the British rule. May I now request Principal Ma'am to address the audience on this special occasion.
Wishing the LPS family a very happy 74th Independence Day. Good morning everyone. Let me begin by recalling what Dr. Rajendra Prasad had said when he delivered the presidential speech on the intervening night of 14th and 15th August 1947, and I quote, "In this solemn hour of our history, when after many years of struggle, we are taking over the governance of this country, let us recall in grateful remembrance the services and sacrifices of all those men and women, known and unknown, who with smiles on their face walked to the gallows or faced bullets on their chest. Interestingly, when India became independent, it had no national anthem. It did not have a prime minister, a president, or even a government. All of this happened only much later. From that day in 1947 to today, we have come a long way indeed. Martin Luther King Jr. had said then, "To other countries I may go as a tourist, but to India I come as a pilgrim." And today, not only has this idea of India survived, but it has emerged as a global, political, economic, cultural and spiritual power on the world map. Today is a day to remember the contributions made and the sacrifices of a large number of people, young and old, men and women from all walks of life, to translate the dream of free India into reality. This is a day to take pride in who we are and be thankful to those because of whom we live a life of freedom today. This sense of gratitude and thankfulness, however, carries with it a heavy responsibility, which we must share collectively and individually. So dear students, I ask you to be as patriotic as those men and women who fought for freedom then, and those soldiers who are defending our borders today as we speak. And you might ask, as to how do I show my patriotism? After all, freedom has been won and I'm not a soldier. So your definition of freedom, your definition of patriotism should mean that you do not take freedom for granted. It is important that you play your role in making India a better place, where inequalities and injustice is a thing of past. You should exhibit an attitude which is of caring, compassionate, respectful person, who is understanding of others' problems, opinions and cultures. And in these days of pandemic 2020, COVID-19 has given us a new definition of patriotism, a new way to express our love for India. It has shaped in creating an army of new soldiers who we very proudly call as COVID warriors. They are the warriors of the future living right amongst us right now. They are those who are fighting the COVID-19 at the cost of their own safety, in fact, their own life. Therefore, let us today salute the doctors, the nurses, the pharmacists, the policemen, your lovely teachers, the stay-at-home students such as you, the media, the providers of essential supplies such as milk, vegetables, grocery, newspaper, water, electricity, telecommunication, media, banking among others. NGOs and spiritual organizations have also stepped up in variety of different ways to help those who are needy and therefore wanting help. They are all fighting to ensure that we live as normal a life as possible. Patriotism today therefore means to protect our way of life, our natural environment, the health of communities. The challenge you face therefore today is to accept that the world will have changed irrevocably after the virus. You, dear students, are confined to your homes. And in these times of pandemic, for you I quote an inspirational statement by Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He had said, and I quote, "Freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. One whose mind is not free, though he may not be in prison, is a prisoner and not a free man. One whose mind is not free, though alive, is no better than dead. Freedom of mind is the proof of one's existence. And that's something all of you have today, the freedom of mind to express yourself the way you want to, in the manners in which you wish to. So, in these times of difficulties, as we celebrate the 74th Independence Day, I wish you to stay happy, enjoy, cherish, and protect your freedom. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. The spirit of patriotism is important for understanding the true value of independence, and patriotic songs are one of the best means to do so. So let's make this occasion more special with the heart-touching patriotic song Air Within by the students of LPS. That was such a soulful and heartwarming performance. Now, dance has no barriers. It is something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. So let's welcome a colorful and vibrant patriotic performance by the LPS students.
Together, change our countries to better places.
इस जहां के लिए, इस चमन के लिए, इस धरा के लिए, इस गगन के लिए, आओ सजदा करें हम अमन के लिए। इस जहां के लिए, इस चमन के लिए, इस धरा के लिए, इस गगन के लिए, आओ सजदा करें हम अमन के लिए।
तीन रंगों का ये झंडा अपने देश की शान है, होने ना दे इसका तू अपमान, तेरी वीरता का बलिदान है। तू है महान, तुझे दिल से सलाम, तुझे दिल से सलाम।
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्। सुजलां
माटी ने तेरी आज पुकारा, धरती ये पूछे बारंबार, लुट रहा ये चमन तेरा वतन, आँखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन तेरा वतन, आँखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के अगर रहे विजय हो।
That performance was truly ceremonial. Now I would like to invite Mushtaq sir to give a vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all of you. I thank you all the teachers and other staff members for coming all the way to celebrate 74th Independence Day at Learning Path School. I also thank Principal Ma'am for such inspiring speech and our Director Mr. Robin for taking this initiative in spite of the challenge faced due to COVID-19. But this is what the spirit of Learning Path School is all about. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Patriotism is how we act towards the need of our fellow countrymen. Patriotism is loving your country and proving it time and again. So on this Independence Day, let us recognize the sacrifices of our ancestors and pledge to serve our nation at all times. Wishing you all once again a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.